In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue when PayPal won't let you transfer your money. So, let's dive right in and troubleshoot this together. First, open your web browser and head over to the PayPal website. Once you're there, look for the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage, and click on it. Enter your email address and password in the fields provided. Be sure to double-check for any typos, as this is a common stumbling block. After entering your details, click on the Login button. Once logged in, you need to verify that your bank account and card information are up to date. It's crucial to ensure that all entered details are accurate, since expired cards or incorrect bank details can prevent transactions from going through successfully. To verify, navigate to the Pay and Get Paid section, which you'll find easily on your dashboard. Once there, click on Banks and Cards, which will help you access all linked financial instruments. Now, in case you've made any recent changes to your bank account, such as switching banks or obtaining a new account number, remember that you'll need to relink your bank account to PayPal. For this, go to Banks and Cards, click on the specific bank account, and follow the prompts to re-establish the link. This will ensure PayPal has the correct details and authorizations needed to process your transaction seamlessly. Next, take a look at your linked cards. Check to make sure none are expired. Outdated card information can also cause transaction issues. If any cards are no longer valid, unlink them and add the updated details of your new card. Moving on, PayPal might require you to complete a security check, especially if there's been some unusual activity in your account. This security measure is designed to protect your funds. If prompted, follow the instructions to verify your identity. Common verification. Steps include confirming your phone number or answering security questions. Another important point is to ensure your email address linked to PayPal is confirmed. An unverified email can sometimes lead to hiccups in transferring funds. Head to your account settings and check the status of your email address. If necessary, follow the steps to resend the confirmation email and verify your address. And finally, if you've tried all these troubleshooting tips and still face difficulties transferring money, don't hesitate to contact PayPal support. They have a dedicated team to assist with these kinds of issues and can often provide solutions specific to your account circumstances. Hopefully, these steps will help you resolve your transfer issue with ease. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.